Hi guys, in this video we talk about the Vivo S18 Pro versus Honor 100 Pro. The Vivo S18 Pro launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $500 and the Honor 100 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $500. The weight of these devices: the Vivo S18 Pro have 188 grams and the Honor 100 Pro have 195 grams. The build: the Vivo S18 front and back glass and plastic frame and the Honor 100 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM supported. Let's talk about the display type. The Vivo S18 Pro have AMOLED 1 billion color display and the Honor 100 Pro have OLED 1 billion color. The size of these devices is same 6.78 inches and the resolution: Vivo S18 Pro have 1260 by 2800 pixel and the Honor 100 Pro have 1224 by 2700 pixels. And the PPI density: the Vivo S18 Pro 453 and the Honor 100 Pro have 437. The refresh rate of these devices is same 120Hz refresh rate and the screen to body ratio is same, not much difference. The both device come with Gorilla Glass protection and the brightness of display: the Vivo S18 Pro come with 2800 nits peak brightness and the Honor 100 Pro have 2600 nits peak brightness. And the camera of these devices: the Vivo S18 Pro come with triple camera setup with 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto. It's record 4K 60 fps video. And the Honor 100 Pro also comes with triple camera setup: the main sensor 50 megapixel, 32 megapixel telephoto and the 12 megapixel ultra wide. It's record 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera of these devices: the Vivo S18 Pro come with 50 megapixel dual LED flash HDR 4K 30 fps selfie camera and the Honor 100 Pro come with 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel HDR 4K 30 fps video selfie camera. And the platform of these devices: the Vivo S18 Pro come with octa-core Cortex X3 and the Honor 100 Pro come with octa-core Cortex X3. And the chipset: the Vivo 18 Pro come with MediaTek 9200 plus 4nm chipset and the Honor 100 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm processor. The GPU of these devices: the Vivo S18 Pro come with a Moteless G715 and the Honor 100 Pro come with Adreno 740. The both devices come with Android 14. And the memory of these devices: the Vivo S18 Pro 16GB RAM and the Honor 100 Pro have 12GB and 16GB RAM. The Vivo has 256GB and 512GB storage and the Honor 100 Pro have 256GB, 512GB and 1TB storage and SD card not supported. The battery of these devices: the Vivo S18 Pro and the Honor 100 Pro have 5000 mAh battery. The Vivo S18 Pro come with 80 watt fast charging and the Honor 100 Pro come with 100 watt fast charging. The Vivo S18 Pro have not any wireless charging and the Honor 100 Pro have 66 watt wireless charging. The both mobile come with 5G network. The result of the devices: the Vivo S18 Pro got 22 points and the Honor 100 Pro got 25 points.